I saw in Sura, Tamper Train. Polish rail, I've seen plenty of these parked up. I've never seen one working in anger before. Huh. Excellent. Yeah, it's called tampering it. Yeah, so it's there's most probably the ballast has most been got squashed, and they're bolstering it up so that it's bringing maybe the lines out of alignment. So then bolstering it up so it brings it back up into alignment. I got close-up of the mechanism going up and down. Yeah, because this is really good at zooming now. Yeah, it's got very good digital zoom. No, it's not. Yeah, digital zoom. It's 8 times, and you still get a decent picture. Just waiting for this train to. Yeah.